A number bond ranch hand. Don't count your chickens before they're hatched, and don't delete your number unless you're 100% sure. But what I'm really trying to say here is don't delete your number from your number barn account unless you're completely sure that's what you want to do. When you delete a number from your account, it actually goes back into the main pig pen. Now, in some cases, when it happens right away and you let us know, we can get the number back and restore it to your account. When it's a little bit later down that dusty trail, there's a less likelihood of us being able to restore the phone number for you. If you accidentally delete your phone number from your Number Barn account, send us an email, support@numberbarn.com, as quickly as you can, and let us know that you made a little boo-boo and we can restore the number for you. If your phone number has transferred away and it's still showing up in your Number Barn account and you're just not sure if you should be deleting it because you want to stop the billing, well, still reach out to us. Send us an email, support@numberbarn.com. We'll take a look and just make sure everything looks A-okay and that the number is safe and cozy in its new home with your new provider. And that, my friends, is it for us. Happy trails!